Looking for precision, speed, and power in your metal fabrication process? It's time to upgrade your shop to a Boss FC Fiber Laser Metal Cutter. From 4x4 cutting platforms for smaller-sized production, or upgrade to larger-sized cutting platforms to meet greater production needs. Powered by advanced fiber laser sources up to 30 kilowatts, these machines are built for high-speed, high-volume production with minimal maintenance. Our industrial fiber laser machines deliver unmatched cutting quality, from thin sheet metal to thick steel plates, all with razor-sharp precision and minimal curve. Fiber lasers offer lower operating costs with less consumables and greater efficiency. Whether you're cutting sheet metal, pipes, or custom parts, we've got a fiber laser solution that fits your needs and your budget. Every industrial fiber laser metal cutter comes backed with free, USA-based lifetime technical support. So you're never left without expert help when you need it. Ready to take your metal fabrication to the next level? Schedule a free virtual demo or an in-person demo at our Bosslaser headquarters in Sanford, Florida. Call us today.